Egusa ya omrase beja film ne kokuma ye wo ho self fro won na wo mo pa no ye o Brim Central mensin mo won crouch pani ne wa ye de afa efam agudie to ho ensansamo no e wo sama pani yi ne fi adidie so
Edom kuma wo Ghana mrahye beja fie ene ni esro mampanyin se na ban crouch pani wo Brim Central mensin no emu wonhwa no wonya na konya mfamfini nsem ni nyina no se wo kiremu dia ene efam agudie to emfa kwampa so wo sa mensin mu eye adoso dodo Abra Deputy Minority Whip Jerry Ahmed Shaib ekasa wo mrahye beja fie wo den nsem sei ene tudwa.
The minority caucus in Parliament is scandalized by the admission of the Municipal Chief Executive of the Brim Central Municipality, Solomon Kusibraku, that illegal miners were fined various sums of money for illegally mining in the Achimodan environs and released to continue their illegal activities. This was after some of these illegal miners who described themselves as NDC branch executives had cause to complain because the same MCE who took monies from them directed the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat, NAMOS, to their site to burn their equipment. We are asking the President to take charge of the activities in the Achim Oda municipality or constituency, that this same municipal chief executive has become extremely arrogant and has now taken upon himself the activities of NAMOS. The MCE's actions and presentation of the original receipts suggest an attempt to cover up alleged extortion. The fact that the original receipt was still in the booklet despite allegedly being issued a month prior to the press conference further supports the notion that the MCE is trying to fabricate evidence.